Struggling with acid reflux, snoring, or restless nights? Imagine waking up refreshed, without that burning sensation or interrupted breathing. The newest 2-layer folding wedge pillow with a height-adjustable cooling gel memory foam headrest is designed to change your sleep experience for the better. This wedge pillow combines a 2-inch cooling gel memory foam layer on top of a firm base foam, delivering firm support while keeping you cool all night long. The adjustable headrest pillow adds personalized comfort, supporting your neck and head exactly where you need it. Together, they create the most comfortable wedge pillow system available today. Plus, you can add an optional leg wedge pillow to keep you from sliding down, enhancing your overall sleep posture. I've seen firsthand how this pillow can make a difference. One user from the U.S. shared their story. Battling severe acid reflux, they couldn't sleep flat despite medication and diet control. After 8 years of relying on this wedge pillow, even while traveling, they swear by its support and comfort. When their cover tore, they repaired it carefully, a testament to how valuable this pillow is in their daily routine. Beyond acid reflux, this wedge pillow also helps reduce snoring and eases breathing issues caused by allergies or other conditions that worsen when lying flat. It's not just about comfort, it's about improving your health and quality of life through better sleep. Travelers will appreciate the upgraded blue nylon carrying case that makes it easy to bring this pillow anywhere. For those wanting extra softness, an optional 400 thread count, 100% Egyptian cotton pillowcase is available separately on Amazon, enhancing the luxury feel without sacrificing breathability. If you're ready to experience what better sleep feels like, this wedge pillow system is worth a look. It's designed to support your body, cool your skin, and keep you comfortable night after night. Try it when you're ready to wake up feeling truly rested.